Hey guys, Gamer94 here, back at Max's house.
What's up, guys?
So today we're gonna be doing if you probably heard the vinegar and baking soda thing where it makes explosion kind of, and we're gonna tell you how to do it. So we'll be right back. Guys, Gamer94 here, back with Max, who's finding some stuff we're doing for. We're gonna pour some vinegar into some baking soda. You're gonna see what happens. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here's what you need: some vinegar, some just white vinegar, some pure baking soda, some food coloring. You don't need it if you don't want to.
A water bottle.
And no type of cup. Doesn't have to be a water bottle. Get this thing started.
Yeah, the whole thing's dirty now.
Okay, let's do it. Let's show them what to do. Hey, let's not use this. Let's use the same thing you were using before.
Yeah.
Because okay, guys.
Grab the
Or
baking
dump the
soda.
water.
We're gonna experiment.
Pour the baking soda into a cup. Then you take your food coloring, pour your stuff, put it in there.
Good?
Yeah. Then you take your vinegar.
Wait, not yet. You have to.
Or close your food coloring first.
Of course.
Then should we mix this up a little?
Yeah. I don't have it. Mix up.
Or spoon.
You use that.
Or use a spoon to mix up the food coloring.
Give it. Oh, shoot. Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon.
Wait till here. You want me to pour food coloring at the same time, or no?
No. Ooh, it's starting to look.
Go. Starting to look good. Yeah. Okay, once you're done mixing it up, it's time to add the vinegar.
Ready?
Prepare to see.
Ooh.
Oh! It keeps going. It keeps going.
Woohoo! That's how you do that, guys.
Woohoo! Boy, I see a bunch of blue right there. You see that?
Yeah.
Boy, I like how it fizzles at the end.
Woohoo!
Here's an extended clip of another baking soda explosion. Oh boy, that one's ooh. Oh, that one's disgusting.
This one looks delicious.
If you guys enjoyed the video, guys, will see you all next time. Goodbye.